How to create custom orders on Lightspeed Trader. Lightspeed Trader has custom order functionality that allows users to create custom orders needed for their unique trading strategy. On the main menu bar, click Utilities, then Configuration Settings. Select the Custom Orders tab, then name your order. For this example, we will name it Buy Order 25 cents through the ask. You can then put in the details on your order. The market, limit order, 25 cents through the ask. Order size, with position to close. If you are in a position and want to close out your order, you can decide to close a quarter, half, or your full position. If you are establishing a new position, you can utilize custom tier sizes within the Tiers button, or you can type the Quantity button and enter a specific quantity of shares. Once this is complete, you can request a pop-up that confirms your order by selecting Yes or No. Lastly, in the TIF or Time in Force section, type in the amount of time you want your order working live. Now that you know how to create a custom order, check out our YouTube channel for other videos on the trading platform.